Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss how to set up Visual Studio Code for C++ programming. Open browser and enter this URL, Ctrl V, enter. Here URL is code.visualstudio.com slash docs slash cpp slash config hyphen mingw. I will provide this URL in description. Please check URL in description. First step is we need to install Visual Studio Code. Right click on this link, open link in new tab. Here download Visual Studio Code. We have three versions. One is for Windows, another one for Linux, another one for Mac. I am installing Windows version. Click here. Here VS Code user setup is downloading. What is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is a lightweight but powerful source code editor which runs on your desktop and is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. It comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript and Node.js and has a rich ecosystem of extensions for other languages such as C++, C#, Java, Python, PHP, Go and so on. That means you can use VS Code for any language. Here VS Code user setup is downloaded. Click on it. Click on run. Accept. Click next. Click next. Click next. Select create a desktop icon and add to path. Click next. Install. VS Code is installing. Finish. Click on finish. Here VS Code is launched. We need to create workspace. To create programs, go to file, add folder to workspace, select any location, create folder, right click here, new folder, C programs, select add, C programs added here. Now we need to create C file. Click on this one, new file, hello.c. Hello.c created under C programs. Now create C program, hash include. Here we are not getting IntelliSense. If you want to get IntelliSense, then we need to install extension. Here second step is install the C++ extension for VS Code. You can install the C++ extension by searching for C++ in the extension view. Go to VS Code, click here, search C/C++. Here we are getting extension C++ IntelliSense debugging. This extension from Microsoft. Click here, install. Here C++ extension is installing. Installation completed. Now go to file. Now we are getting IntelliSense stdio.h int main printf hello world. Execute this program. Go to run. Click on run without debugging or Ctrl F5. Select C++ GDB LLDB. We are not getting output. Then we need to install one more extension. Here third step is you will install mingw-w64 via the SourceForge website. Click mingw-w64. Click here. MinW is the compiler to execute C programs. Here MinW is Downloading. Click. Click on yes. Click next. Select default things. Click next. MinW is installing C program files. If you want to install in different location, you can change it. Click next. It will take few minutes. Click next. Click finish. Installation completed. Now go to VS Code. Close this VS Code. Open VS Code. Now run this program. Control F5. We are getting error as launch program. Enter program for example does not exist. Cancel it. Go to this URL. We need to do few more steps. Here, add the path to your MinW bin folder to the Windows path environment variable. In the Windows search bar, type settings to open Windows settings. Here, click on settings. Here, search edit environment variables for your account. Click on it. Click on path. Click edit. Here, select new. Your MinW is installed program files. Here MinW, click on it, click on here, select this one, click on bin. Copy this path. Go to edit environment variables. Here click on new, paste here, click OK. Click OK. Now your MinW bin folder is added to path. Next. Now if you want to check MinW installed properly or not, open command prompt, cmd, enter. Here g++ hyphen version, enter. Here G++ version is 8.1.0. That means G++ is installed properly. Later enter gdb hyphen version, enter. Here gdb version is 8.1. That means G++ and gdb is installed properly. Now go to VS Code. Run this program. Control F5. I am getting error like launch program, enter program name, for example C/users, click cancel, remove launch.json, delete, move to recycle bin. Now control F5. Here we are getting one more window. Select environment, C++ gdb/lldb, C++ Windows, Node.js and more. Click on C++ gdb/lldb. Click on G++exe build and debug active file. Click here. Now launch.json file is created. Here we have mi debugger path. This path is related to MinW installation. MinW installation is in program files. That path is copied here. Click on Explorer. Here under VS Code, we have two files generated. One is launch.json, another is task.json. Launch.json, we have mi debugger path. In task.json, here command, we have MinW bin folder is there. Now click on hello.cs, control F5. Here we are getting output as hello world. That means VS Code is executing C program properly. Now we will create CPP program. Click on C programs. Click on new file. Here sample.cpp hash include iostream using namespace std int main cout hello world. Control F5. Here CPP program is executed. Here we are printing hello world. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.